What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel.
So today we are going to be tackling the first part of the 3500 heavy duty something. We're building it.
Yeah, so as he said in the last video, the doors are pretty rotted. He was able to find, I guess, three doors.
Yeah.
They're actually right in front of us. You guys can't see them, but they're actually right here. Which is a little unfortunate because the other doors are like, which doors did he get?
I got the passenger front, passenger back, and the driver rear.
Oh, which is good because that's the one that has a stuck door handle.
It's not stuck. It's about to fall off, but the driver's side one is the worst out of all of them because, as I said in the last video, they just cut a portion of the door and bolted a portion of another door instead of just switching the door. Whatever. That door, I have one on the hook. I couldn't find him. I couldn't get him in time, but we're gonna do these, get the truck looking semi-decent, and go from there.
Yeah, so I guess we'll put on the doors and then we'll show you guys the difference.
Sounds good. So obviously we're in the middle of it. It looks like it's calming down a bit. We knew it was coming, but then we started running into stupid problems. So, which we didn't know if we were gonna run into. So luckily the doors are on. The car's not getting wet, but the harnesses are different. Especially that driver's side, that passenger side front harness. It won't even go into
The
place.
rear are the same.
Huh?
So far, that one rear was the same.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait for this rain to die out a little bit.
Alright guys, so it's pouring, we're wet, but truck has two doors that look pretty much identical from the moldings up. Obviously the new chrome things, but the main important part was all the bottom there.
Yeah, everything works. They actually open and close better than they did before, obviously.
Yeah, we also lost our mics because of the rain, so audio I know is going to be a little bad now compared to earlier, but we got this done. I mean, comparison to what it would cost you to get even door skins installed at a professional shop, I think you saved like thousands of dollars.
Yeah,
I want to say thousands.
So crazy part is, since this is a typical problem on the Silverados, after I bought it, I went on a spree of trying to see how much. Chevy uses the same doors on any pickup, as long as it's the same crew cab, on any truck that they use, or GM, General Motors. So there's plenty of options. But in order for me to get these, anybody with a Silverado wanted $350 a door. Obviously, I wasn't doing that. That's what. That's $1,400 basically.
Yeah.
So what I ended up doing was I found these off of a Yukon, which had to be an extended cab Yukon, but luckily the guy gave me all the three doors for $300, and then I have another one on the hook. I'm most likely gonna pay more for that single door, but I don't know if I'm gonna actually no, I'm gonna buy the door because that door is horrible, but I'll deal with the trims later on.
Yeah, so as you guys saw, he had to replace the harness on this door from the original door. I guess because...
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to do the rear doors too.
Yeah, because the rear doors, the windows go up and down, but they don't unlock and lock when he hits the buttons up front.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's just something he's gonna have to do it later on, but I think that the truck looks a million times better.
Appearance-wise, yeah, this is a night and day. It's dirty down there, but that's not rust.
I mean, this is the good side too. Let's bring you guys over to the other side.
So,
as you guys can see, this is super white.
ooh,
Wow. Alright, this is a white door. You can see how faded this door is. This is all messed up. Now this door, as you guys saw in the video, this door didn't open, and it opened. The only thing is that when the guy that removed these doors completely hacked it up, did it like as quick as possible. He messed up clips for the door harnesses, and then he removed, I think he like pulled half of the door panel for the passenger's front. So this one is not connected here, but as long as, you know, you can tell his passengers to just be careful with it, or if he's cognizant of it, they'll be fine with that.
Yep. So, all right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We worked super hard to get you guys this video.
It's pouring now, and we almost got struck by lightning.
Yeah.
So,
We
with that being
appreciate
said,
you guys.
see you guys on the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe.